Hiring managers consistently rank leadership skills among the most in-demand abilities for new hires. But leadership isn't just for managers. No matter where you are in your career, a resume that showcases your ability to bring out the best in others can be a total game changer for your job search. And that's where I can help. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and in this video, I'll share expert tips to effectively demonstrate leadership skills on your resume. A famous quote from Vince Lombardi says, "Leaders aren't born, they're made." The ability to inspire, motivate, and guide others is actually something you can cultivate at any stage in your career. But leadership isn't one size fits all. It's a diverse set of abilities that reflects your unique style and the situation. So don't just throw leadership onto your skills section and call it a day. Instead, weave leadership into your resume's narrative. Your summary and employment history sections are great places to show examples of your top leadership skills. Let's take a look at a few examples. Here's one for creativity. Conceptualized and executed an innovative TV ad campaign that reached 5.6 million households by leading a cross-functional team of copywriters, producers, and strategists. Now, let's consider delegation. Delegated tasks effectively as project manager, assigning responsibilities based on team members' strengths and expertise, resulting in a 20% improvement in project efficiency and timely delivery of high-quality outcomes. And finally, here's a summary example that shows vision. Dynamic and visionary executive with a proven track record of driving organizational success through strategic leadership and innovative thinking. Proven ability to orchestrate large-scale pivots towards sustainable operational practices to exceed corporate goals and transform businesses. In the link below, you'll find our blog with even more leadership skills and sample sentences you can use on your resume. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our expert resume advice and tips for your job search.